Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. This week is another update of Tron over at the Magic Kingdom. I'm on my way over there right now. I'm actually at the Contemporary right now. It is Friday, July 12th, so hopefully there's a little bit of change since the last week's video. Looked like you guys really like that one a lot, so hopefully you guys like this one as well. Like I said, it's July 12th, Friday, so let's go check out the Tron coaster over at Magic Kingdom. Thank to all my subscribers, all you new subscribers and viewers, thank you guys as well. Let's go check it out. My name is Jason. I'm out. Let's go check out Tron.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching, so keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you'll